Hello everyone, my name is Harshdeep Singh and my group number is 16. We are going to present a Power BI file on a Power BI. So first of all, we made a sales performance dashboard. In this dashboard, we used uh, like we used slicer from here for to select a region. Similarly, to select a state and to select a city, we used slicer. With these, like for region. mm, the data is here in the region section. For state, the data is here at state and region, and for city, the data is at state. After that, we used a button which we can insert from here. We can go to insert and then add a button from here. And after adding a button, we can change its shape, rotation, style. Moreover, we can also add title or add effects to this button. Uh, this button is used to clear all the filters. For example, if we choose uh, any region, state, and city from here, and if we want to clear all the filters, we have to press Control and then click on a clear filter button, then everything will be clear. After that, we used card from here for sum of sales revenue. Similarly, for total quantity sold and for total gross profit. After that, we came here on a we used a stacked column chart for sales revenue by store. In this chart, we used store description on x-axis, and on y-axis we used sum of sales revenue. And to differentiate, we used legend. Like for colors, we used legend on store description. After that, coming on to this, we used stacked bar graph for state-wise maximum longitude. This is also the question in the assignment. Uh, to uh, to choose state-wise maximum longitude, we can go here. We used y-axis as a description, like for state, and x-axis for the maximum of longitude. We can choose the filter from here, like if we want to do a sum, average, minimum, or but here we are going to do a maximum of longitude. After that, we used another card for sorry we used uh, uh, pie chart for the quantity sold by 10 top stores. uh, After that, we used a donut chart, which is here, uh, to show the quantity sold by top 5 stores. And for this, we used legend as a store description. And for the filters of the quantity sold by top 10 stores and quantity sold by top 5 stores, we use a filter here on store description. We used here the filter type top n for like top 5 for the quantity sold by top 5 stores. Next part, my friend Shilpi will continue from here.
Thank you, Harsh. So moving towards, I'll continue. My name is Silpi Kumari Jaiswal. So I will continue with the sales question dashboard. In the sales question, we have select region, select state, and select city. So for the first one, we have used the donut chart, that is total gross margin for each state. There in the legend, we have used, as you can see, state, date, year, and for values, sum of gross profit. Moving towards the second one, we have used it, that is stack column chart. For that, we have used product sale with highest sales price in 2017. In there, we have used x-axis product description, y-axis maximum of original sales. The third one we have used, that is pie chart. In the pie chart, we used lowest gross margin according to the month and year. In that, for the legend, we have used date and month, and for the values, we have used sum of gross profit. Coming towards the downward, we have used the stack column chart, as you can see here. For that, we have used maximum discount by which store. And there in x-axis, it's used store description, for y-axis, maximum of discount. Moreover, for further that we have used the first one, that is stack bar chart. For that, we have used highest original sales price. Moving towards the other one, that is stack column chart, as you can see in the screen, which has lowest gross profit. In that, for the x-axis, we have used that is product description, and for the y-axis, we have this sum of gross profit. Coming toward the downward, we have used this one, this line chart for the maximum sales price in 2017. That is in x-axis city description, and in y-axis we have maximum of original sales. Coming towards the other one, we have used this funnel, which has the highest fixed price in 2016. In the category, we have the product description, and for the values, we have sum of price. And the last one, we have the highest gross profit according to year. We have used this stack column chart. In the x-axis, we have product description, and in the y-axis, we have sum of gross profit. So for the further, in the air filter dashboard, my friend Vijay and Gaurav will explain. Thank you.
Thank you, Shilpi. Hi, I'm Vijay Kaderia. Now I'm gonna continue from here. This one is the year filter dashboard. For the top selling of the products, we select the stack column chart, and then we use the map for the sales revenue and quantity sold by the city, as you can see it in here. And to find out the quantity sold by the city, we have to select through the city. And for this, as you can see, the data of Washington is shown in the desktop. And for the further more information about the revenue and the profit by the product, I'm gonna call my friend Gaurav. Thank you.
Thank you, Vijay. I am Gaurav, and now I am going to continue about the air filter dashboard, which is showing the product analysis. Here we are using uh, the 100% stacked column chart, which is showing the revenue and profit by product. And the next one is product discounts, which is line and here we used line and stacked column chart, which is showing the sum of discount and sum of sales revenue in product discounts. And the last one is we used ribbon chart for sales revenue and quantity sold by the city. Thank you so much.